So this is the final look we're going to create. First, let's open Canva and create a new frame in the social media size, 1080 by 1350 pixels. Now let's upload all the elements we'll be using. First, we'll add the main image, which will sit in the center. We'll adjust its size and position until it fits perfectly. Next, we'll add the image for the bottom section and resize it accordingly. Then we'll bring in the top image and adjust its size and position to match the overall composition. Now, we need some background images to make the design feel more realistic. For this, I'll search for a suitable kitchen image in Canva's Elements section. Once we find the right image, we'll send it to the back so the main subject stays clearly visible in the foreground. We'll do the same for the bottom section as well. Choose another suitable background image and send it behind the main element. Finally, we'll add shadows wherever needed. This helps blend the elements together and gives the design a much more realistic and natural look. And we'll do the same for the bottom section as well. And just like that, our final design is ready in just a few minutes.